Setting up your PayPal account to receive payments.
Hello, viewers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up a PayPal account specifically for receiving payments. Whether you're a freelancer or a small business owner, this will definitely come in handy. Let's dive right in.
What is PayPal?
PayPal is a secure digital wallet that allows you to send, receive, and store money online. It's a trusted platform by millions around the globe due to its simplicity, efficiency, and security. But how do you go about setting up an account to receive payments? That's what we're here for.
How to create a PayPal account.
To create a PayPal account, you need to follow a few simple steps. 1. Go to the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll have to choose between a personal and business account. If you're looking to receive payments for goods or services, a business account would be ideal. 2. Fill in the required information, which includes email, password, business information, and contact details. 3. After filling in the details, read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Agree and Create Account. Your account is now created, but it's not ready to receive payments yet.
How to verify your PayPal account.
To verify your account, 1. PayPal will send you an email to the address you provided. Open this email and click on the link to confirm your address. 2. Next, you'll need to link and confirm a bank account or a credit card to your PayPal account. This involves entering your card details or bank account information, and then confirming 2 small deposits that PayPal will make into your bank account. 3. Once you have confirmed your bank account or card, your PayPal account will be fully verified. Remember, a verified account will lift withdrawal limits and is a requirement to receive payments.
How to set up payment receiving preferences.
Lastly, you need to set up your payment receiving preferences. 1. Log in to your PayPal account and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to Account Settings. 2. From there, navigate to the Payments tab and click on Manage Automatic Payments. 3. Set up your payment receiving preferences according to your requirements. This could include automatic transfers to your bank account or keeping money in your PayPal balance. Note, for businesses, there are additional payment setup options, such as setting up PayPal checkout on your website. And that's it. You now have a fully functional PayPal account that can receive payments. Remember, always ensure your account details are accurate and up to date to prevent any payment issues. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.